This is a 1951 Hudson Pacemaker Convertible, but it has had an engine transplant. This is a Hornet power plant with dual carburation, while the original 6 had a slightly smaller displacement. This one has the 302 cubic inch displacement with the twin carburation. Beautiful pale yellow color scheme with maroon interior. It's a 6-cylinder engine. There's the spotlight there on the driver's side. Plus you've got a canopy over the windshield. Inside you have a beautiful dashboard. Lots of chrome. The upholstery is absolutely beautiful. And here's the trunk. As you can see, it's of good dimension. The only drawback seems to be that the spare is laying on its side, which cuts down on the room. But these cars were quite low. The so-called step-down design, which made them the favorites on the racetrack, especially with that Hornet engine with the dual carburation. So, it has a low center of gravity and really was a fast car. It was the car to beat before the V8s gained ascendancy back in the mid-50s. Notice the antenna that turns with that knob at the top of the windshield. There's the looks like the reservoir for the washer fluid. Notice the novel way the hood is propped open with those I don't know what you call them, props on both sides. Very interesting. Great car.